Skoda has revealed the new Slavia facelift in India, giving the popular sedan a fresher design, more technology, and a wider choice of transmissions. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of a segment-first, 8-speed torque converter automatic transmission for the 1-liter TSI engine. Buyers can still choose a 6-speed manual for this unit, while the more powerful 1.5 TSI engine continues to be offered with a 7-speed DSG automatic, but now features rear disc brakes. The updated Skoda Slavia also receives several visual upgrades. These include new LED headlights, redesigned LED taillights with sequential rear indicators, fresh alloy wheel designs, and updated interior color combinations. The sporty Monte Carlo trim is available from launch with dual-tone exterior colors, black styling details, and design cues inspired by Skoda's rally heritage. Technology and comfort have also been improved. The cabin features a 10.25-inch digital cockpit and a 10.1-inch infotainment display, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A new AI companion powered by Google Cloud's Automotive AI agent can respond to voice commands and control functions, including music, calls, and climate settings. Skoda has also added a 360-degree area view camera, front parking sensors, and a segment-first rear seat massage function, giving the Slavia a stronger focus on passenger comfort and everyday convenience. The updated Slavia is produced in India and is also exported to markets including Vietnam, the Middle East, and Africa, supporting Skoda's wider growth strategy outside Europe. Guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.